Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on a rainy Thursday. So we're here in the office. Just finished my work for the day and thought I'd make a video. So I'm here at my work from home setup. You see it in all this glory. Dell monitor, Dell laptop, lights, cameras, microphones, standing desk, the whole bit. Videos are on everything. You can just watch my channel and just see videos on everything. So, the one thing that drives me nuts about this setup, the one thing is this right here. That alone, the wiring it's not neat, but I'm one of those people that says, I'll just make do what I got. I got outlet strips I can put under there to be fine, but I just don't like it. Makes me itch all over. So, one trip to Amazon, I'm hoping I'm going to fix this. So, what I have done, I bought a 12 outlet, you see, yeah, 12 outlet surge suppressor, and it also has USB-A and USB-C connectivity on it for powering devices like phone chargers and whatnot. So I got that, and I'm going to put it underneath the desk with some heavy-duty 3M sticky tape, two-sided tape. I don't know why I said sticky tape, two-sided tape. We got that right there. It's very sticky. I guess that's why I said it. So $30 is hopefully going to get me out of this mess that I just hate looking at when I raise the desk and look under there and go, oh, I wish I fixed that. So everything else on this is just the way I want it for 2022. Now it could change just like that, but right now I like it. So let's get under here. I'm gonna pull it away from the wall. We're gonna take all the zip ties and the cable and the Velcro ties off of it. Unplug everything. Throw those outlet strips. Put them in the garage or something. We're going to go back nice and neat. Keep me all sane. So, y'all stay with us. Alright, hopefully you could see up underneath there where I was doing everything. Got everything looking good. Let me take you off the tripod and hopefully y'all can see that everything is nice and neat in the Sigmund wire tray. Everything's nice and neat there. LEDs are in the tray. I still have plenty of outlets. If I got my dock down here that my video and sound and everything feeds through. Got my Anchor phone charger. Everything. Got my face light. iPad's charging. Everything's working good. So another project done. Tickled to death with the work from home desk. I've been working on the other side where I have my utility stuff, my IoT, and my video editing side. I was doing video editing and work from here, and it's just too much. So I've got everything over here now. I'm going to fix this up, show you what I did over here. You can do this. It's easy. It doesn't cost a fortune. If you watch these guys on YouTube that spend thousands of dollars, you don't have to do that. You can have something you feel good about, you enjoy using, and is enjoyable to use. You don't have to do it. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. 984. Give me 16 more, it puts me at 1,000. That's a milestone. We're going to have a giveaway. I don't know what yet, but we're going to give something away. We're going to do something nice for somebody. Hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching.